Hello guys, welcome to Daily Current Affairs series. Today we will discuss 10th December current affairs. Myself Sunny Sandeep. Welcome to our channel Gear Up for Group 1 exam. Let us discuss the today's important current affairs. The first one, Margaret Keenan. Who is she? That is Margaret Keenan, a 90-year-old grandmother from Britain, has become the first person in the world to receive Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine outside of trial following its rapid clinical approval. She is the one who have taken the first person in the world to receive the Pfizer COVID-19 vaccine. Here, Britain began rolling out COVID-19 vaccine developed by Pfizer and BioNTech. That's why Margaret Keenan is in news. Next one, PM Vani. That is, it is a public Wi-Fi access network interface will be known as PM Vani. Public Wi-Fi access network interface will be known as PM Vani. Here, the Union Cabinet has given its approval for the proposal of DOT for setting up public Wi-Fi networks by Public Data Office Aggregators, that is PDOAS, to provide Wi-Fi service through public data offices, that is PDOs, spread across the country to accelerate proliferation of broadband internet services through public Wi-Fi network. In simpler words, we are in the industrial revolution age or information technology world. That means to connect or to know the information, we have the broadband. For that, for public one, that if we provide Wi-Fi access to the everyone, that we may use our Wi-Fi network, then we can share the information to other person. That's why this public Wi-Fi access network interface is known as PM1. Will give the boost to the industrial revolution or information technology revolution. Next one, very interesting article. We know that all me and you are burdened with these bags, that is school bags. When I am studying, I remember that if you compare to my weight, my school bag is more than that. And on that day, I think like this also. Why these many books I have to read? A simple one book is required, na? Like that, everyone will think. Why? Because if you compare to that age or that weight of me, that books are more, like 2 to 3 books, one water bottle and one lunch box, and if anything required, that means more than my weight. That's why there is a policy on school bag 2020. School bag should not more than 10% of the body weight of the students across from class 1 to 10th, and there should be no homework till class 2. Here two things we have to remember. School bag should not more than 10% of the body weight of the students across from not from 1 to 5 or 1 to 3. It from 1 to class 10, and there should be no work till up to class 2. Here the policy on school bag 2020 made 11 recommendations on the weight of the bags, including adequate good quality midday meal and potable water to all students, so that they need not to carry lunch boxes or water bottles. That is what we have to learn or what we have to see from this article, that is policy on school bag 2020. Next one, very interesting project, that is KLI project, that is Kochi and Lakshadweep Islands project. The project envisages provision of direct communication link through a dedicated submarine optical fiber cable, that is OFV, between Kochi and 11 islands of Lakshadweep, that is Kochi Lakshadweep Islands project. Here the estimated cost of this implementation is about 1072 crore, including operational expenses for 5 years. The project would be funded by the Universal Service Obligation Fund. This project would be funded by the Universal Service Obligation Fund. This OFC will carry by BSNL, Bharat Sanchar Nigam Limited. That is what we have to learn from this article. That is Kochi and Lakshadweep Islands project. Next one, as a part of UPSC Prelims 2020, we will discuss the 40th question. Right side given international agreements and setups, and there is a right side subject. First one, Alma Ata Declaration, whether it is related to healthcare of the people. Next one, Hague Convention, whether it is related to biological and chemical weapons. Next one, Talanoa Dialogue, whether it is related to global climate change. Under 2 Coalition, whether it is related to child rights. Here option 1 and 3 are right, correct. Why? Because Alma Ata is declaration is related to healthcare of the people, and Talanoa Dialogue is related to global climate change, whereas under 2 Coalition is related to global Paris climate or Paris Agreement, where Hague Convention is related to child rights. That's why options, if you see the options there, it is this question is asking for correct one. A 1 and 2 only, B 4 only, C 1 and 3 only, D 2, 3, 4 only. The correct option is 1 and 3 only. With this we can conclude our video. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to our channel. Gear up for group 1 exam. This is Sunny Sandeep signing out. Take care and bye bye.